Well, hello all you early risers here in Melbourne. Len Huckle back in the studio today, and today I thought it'd be a good chance. I got my Telecaster back from being refretted, and it's a good time to give it a test because I've had some followers in Canada wondering whatever happened to that famous Telecaster I've had since I was a young boy, and here it is. 1972, a lot of parts on it, pre-65, 68 CBS, but nevertheless, one of my favorite guitars in the whole mix, and I thought I'd give it a bit of a check today with a backtrack, just to see how it's sitting right now with the new frets and the fretboard redone. And anyways, without any further ado, let's give it a bit of a play. you have it. 1972, 68 to 72 Telecaster. Freshly refretted. Beautiful neck job done from Brandon from Real Guitars here in Melbourne. And till next time, let's stay tuned for another jam session in the studio to test out some more equipment. Have a good day.